Hey guys, what's up? It's AppleCritics from AppleCritics.com. I got a very special video for you guys, and this video is going to be on the unboxing of the brand new HomePod Mini. So this is Apple's second foray into the smart speaker market. Originally, they released the HomePod in February 2018, and it was a much bigger HomePod, but now they reduced it to the HomePod Mini, and it's aiming to deliver the same punch for much less in terms of price. The regular HomePod was about $400. Now this HomePod Mini is only about $100, and it'll give you much more bang for your buck. So we can go ahead and get into this unboxing video. So of course we have the HomePod Mini right here. This is the HomePod Mini true to size. So you can see that's the overall size. It says Mini at the side. It says HomePod Mini at the side, and then HomePod Mini on the other side. So we do have the HomePod Mini at the very top. So it says the HomePod Mini and Siri helps you get things done from anywhere in the room. And then you can enjoy amazing sound with the Apple design audio, experience multi-room audio with AirPlay 2, and you can pair two HomePod Mini speakers for stereo sound. And you can also intercom between HomePod speakers and control your smart home as well. So you can get additional details about it. And overall, this is what it has to offer. Now you can also see what it requires. So it says iPhone SE, iPhone 6s or later, iPod Touch 7th generation with the latest iOS or iPad Pro, iPad 5th gen, and also iPad Air 2 or later or iPad Mini 4 or later. And you want to have the best Wi-Fi possible as well. And you have the latest iPad OS as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight on into this unboxing. So now we can go ahead and unbox it. So now we can just pull the box up. And there we have the HomePod Mini right on top. So you can see it's actually very small in the hand, and it's just a really compact speaker, as we can see right here. And we have the connection with a braided cable right at the bottom, and you can see it is in black. Now you can take a look at the rest of the box. And then you can see that we have a guide for the HomePod Mini. And then we can see that we have the 20-watt USB-C power adapter here as well. So it is a different color than the actual HomePod Mini. So it would have been nice if it actually was all the same color. So this is the original HomePod Mini right here. And now this is the new HomePod Mini right by its side. So you can see it has a very similar design, but you can see that there's a major size difference compared to the two. So now what we can do is just go ahead and take this off. And now you can pull this part off. So this is just the bottom piece of the HomePod Mini. Then you can connect the 20-watt power adapter, which is super surprising that Apple includes this because they didn't include it with any of the new expensive iPhones. And there we have it. So we can just go ahead and plug it in. So there we have the HomePod Mini, and it's starting to get set up, and you can see the color that it is glowing in. Now we can go ahead and take our phone. So this is my 12 Pro Max, and we can go ahead and connect it. So you can see it recognize the HomePod Mini right by its side. So you can go ahead and set it up. And then you can choose what room we want it in. And now it's giving you the ability to turn personal requests on, so you can integrate Siri into your daily life. So it says your next appointment today is at 1:35 p.m. Hey Siri, read my messages. You also have a reminder today, and it will also tell you your missed calls and everything like that. So you can choose to use personal requests. So I will say don't use. And then you also have Siri for everyone. So Siri can recognize voices for everyone in your household. Now you can transfer all your accounts and settings to your HomePod. So you can just press transfer settings. And now you can put the HomePod Mini in frame. And now you can see it's setting up the HomePod Mini, just like that. And now it says that the HomePod is ready, so you can hit done. So now I can ask specific requests. So I could say, hey Siri, what is the weather in Paris?
It's currently clear and 5 degrees in Paris, France. Expect mostly clear skies starting in the afternoon. Today's high will be 8 degrees, and the low will be 0.
Hey Siri, what time is it in Tokyo?
It's 9:28 a.m. in Tokyo, Japan.
So you can see the HomePod Mini is very useful and it can perform specific tasks. And it's just a very good device overall, and it is in a very small form factor compared to the normal HomePod. So I will be doing a test between these two Apple devices that are finally in the smart speaker market. So hopefully you thoroughly enjoyed this video on the HomePod Mini. If you did, be sure to smash the like button down below so know you watched. Also share a comment down below on what you think of the HomePod Mini, and be sure to check out all the other videos on my channel. Be sure to subscribe for more great content and follow me on social media on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. My username there is AppleCritics, and thanks for watching.